Oh, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy's mom's so hot. She's got them thick thighs. Oh, she's got thick thighs like double stuffed Oreos. I want to cream inside of them. Oh, Jimmy, your mom is so hot. This is...
Just really selling it, dude.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy, the girl at Panera Bread spit in my sandwich. I'm gonna have a good day, Jimmy. Catch me a big old sucker right here. Look at that, chat. Look at that right there. Look at it, chat. There's my brother. We kiss at night.